Hello and welcome. Today, we will go through the installation and setup process of Todoist Action Automation for Workflow. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on your sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, search for the application you'd like to install using the search bar and click on it. Click on Install and allow an install. The next thing you will have to do is to refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on your sidebar and search for the custom page of the application you just installed. In this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, and this tab contains information about this application. The next tab is the tutorials tab. This tab contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. The next tab is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. First of all, click on Start Setup. Next, head to your Todoist account online and click on your profile. From there, click on Settings and then on Integrations. Next thing, click on Developers, and here is your API token. Copy the API token, head back to your account and paste it where required. Click on Complete. The application has been connected successfully. The next tab is the Support tab, and this Support tab permits you to create tickets and book calls with our support team in case you have any issues. And the final tab is the changelog. The changelog keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application, and it also permits you to receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.